Hey guys, today in this video we're going to give a brief discussion on Anthropocene and the global environmental change. Well, human evolution brought significant impacts on planet Earth. In short, the global environment has been changing due to human impacts. For example, pollution has led to consequences such as ozone depletion and the climate change. Planet Earth saw massive changes at the beginning of industrialization. Historically, the Industrial Revolution started in the global north, for example in Britain and the United States, and this is where the severe human impacts began. What exactly is Anthropocene? Anthropocene refers to the human impacts in the recent period on Earth. It is a new geological age known to be caused by two main impacts: the model of energy production and the resource consumption model. Scholars such as Lewis and Hamburg contributed a lot to explain what Anthropocene entails. Lewis states the term Anthropocene presents a further challenge since the Earth system changed gradually. However, changes appear nearly on the spot when viewed million years later in the event. According to Malsa and Hamburg, in Anthropocene story, humankind is portrayed as a species that gains dominance over the rest of the Earth system.
We define what global environmental change is. What is global environmental change? Global environmental changes are alterations in natural systems whose impacts are not and cannot be localized. By localized, we mean whole wide world. These changes, they happen on the whole world. In short, it's a change brought by human actions which can affect the ability of the earth to sustain life. The changes occurs all over the world. Environmental changes are divided into types, which is the systemic and the cumulative. The systemic deals with the effects which directly impact the earth system, and the cumulative they deal with the impact through worldwide distribution of change, impact through magnitude of change, share of global resource. On systematic, the effect can be like industrial and land use emissions of greenhouse gases, industrial and consumer emissions of ozone depletion gases, land cover changes in albedo, etc. So on the cumulative, there are four things. We can say the groundwater pollution and depletion, species depletion, genetic alteration, biodiversity, and then we move again to the other part which are impacts through magnitude of change, which can be deforestation, industrial toxic pollutants, soil depletion on prime agricultural land. Environmental changes and Anthropocene, they have similarities since they both occur due to human impact on Earth. However, global environmental changes can be biological. Talk about the examples of global environmental changes. These can be said as the consequences of global environmental changes, which one of them is climate change. Climate change can cause field fires, melting down of ice, floods, drought, ozone depletion, or the increase of temperatures. It can drive tornadoes, tsunamis. In many cases, it's caused by the economic growth. If there's no growth, which means that more people will be hungry, more people will be poor. But in this case, poverty is caused by climate change, by global environmental change. How does it causes poverty? Because there'll be droughts, so there's no production, less food, which means more people are going to be hungry, livestock is gonna die, there'll be loss of wild and aquatic life. For example, if there's tsunami, there's a big wave, it's gonna push the aquatic life out of the waters. and for other reasons, maybe a gas station, where we get gas. We get gas from the ocean, and then when the thing blasts, it can cause the death of many aquatic animals. For example, if you can see on a picture, there's an elephant which has collapsed, either collapsed or dead. So it can be caused by a lot of heat from due to ozone depletion. It can be caused by drought, but here you can see the grass is green. The grass is green. We cannot say it's because of drought. We can say the heat, whereby it causes excretory diseases inside the animal. Thank you for watching, guys.